2004 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer, white hull, anchor windlass, GMR 18 Garmin radar HD, new canvas put on 2013, a nice big swim platform, enter onto the boat. Walking through the cockpit. Nice seating in the cockpit with table that is removable. Also, the seat here collapses down to become a big lounger. Over here you got a sink with cold water. Cooler in the storage compartment under here. Nice lounger over to your port side. Helm starboard. Powered by Mercruiser 5.0 MPIs, new manifolds and risers in 2013. Raymarine VHF radio. Garmin 740S touchscreen. 369 hours on the engines. Down to the cabin. Nice dinette. Dinette also converts down to a sleeping area. Forward have another dinette, again converts down to a sleeping area. Flat panel LCD TV, microwave convection, your sink, stove, AC/DC refrigerator. All the carpets have carpet runners on them, keep them in nice shape. Going into your head on the starboard side, vacuum flush head, macerated, shower inside the head. Back to your aft cabin, about the size of a full-size bed back here. Another nice sleeping area. And we'll step back out up into the cockpit of the boat. You have view from a different angle. Nice helm seat with flip-up bolster. Again, your cockpit. This seat back here does collapse down if you ever wanted to do any fishing or open up the transom of the boat. You do have that option to have that also there. And then we'll give you a shot of the engine compartment down here. Again, 5.0 MPI, Mercruisers, 369 hours. Manifolds and risers were done last year, 2013. Also has a Kohler 5 kW generator, pictured right there with about 89 hours. There is your 2004 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer, presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales.